even the most powerful AI models have unexpected blind spots. These can cause some pretty basic logical errors. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how a massive 120 billion parameter model struggles with simple tests. But then, we'll show you something exciting, how a custom engineered prompt can actually steer it to think correctly, turning its performance from flawed to flawless. It's quite the transformation.
First things first, we're going to demonstrate the problem at hand. Our huge 120 billion parameter AI, believe it or not, is tripping over some surprisingly simple questions. Just watch as it keeps failing at basic counting and logic. This really shows a fundamental flaw in its reasoning process. But stay tuned because there's more to come.
Not thinking is the reason it says 27. So it keeps coming 27 every time. It's gone slower. It's 5 tokens per second slower for some reason. Don't know why. I haven't done anything different. Strange. Oh, we're recording. I'm using the graphics card to record software, so it's a little bit slower. So yeah, 27 every time. So the whole point of this was just to show you, let me wait for that to finish generating. 27 was just to show you like the common trip-ups.
So here's the thing. The solution isn't about getting a better model. Nope, it's actually about crafting a better prompt. We call it a meta prompt. It's specifically designed to get the AI to think step by step. This approach helps it avoid all those rushed, flawed conclusions. It's really all about the logic here.
And what I'm going to do now is give it the logic. And I'm going to give it this GPT OSS 120B logic. I've made this public on LM Studio. So it's just a few lines of thought processing before going through to answer the question, to apply it to answering the question, basically. A role to play, so to speak, a meta prompt. Are they called meta prompts? I'm not sure, but it's like the prompt underneath being asked a question and talking and responding. You can make it act like Optimus Prime. It's like a who you are type prompt. You are an advanced AI language model.
Now, here's the moment of truth. With this brand new logic prompt applied, we run the tests again, and wow, just look at that. We see a dramatic change, going from repeated failures to consistent, accurate success. It's a game changer.
So yeah, it's generating. Before it was yes, that's correct. Yes, that's correct. But I've got to remember that is 9.110 and 9.900. So it followed it through? No. The answer is false.
Wrapping up. Finally, to show you that not all prompts are equal, we test a different short and sharp prompt. You know what happens? The model quickly goes back to its old mistakes. This illustrates perfectly why effective prompting has to be specifically tailored to each AI. It's all about precision.
There's no. Statement is false. So there you have it. I've even got a short, sharp. This won't work for everything though. I'd imagine there'd be some kind of tricky prompt that would trick it out. There you go, look, yes, 911 is greater than 9.9. So there you go, it doesn't work. So this is no good for GPT OSS 120B. No good at all, because with this model, this wouldn't have happened, and it didn't happen once. So there, you can see how the different models have different prompts.
Ultimately, what we're saying is effective prompt engineering, when carefully tailored to each specific model, is absolutely crucial. It's the key to overcoming those inherent logical flaws in AI and unlocking its true reasoning capabilities. Just imagine the possibilities.